Is it time to buy or sell Anavex Life Sciences stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Anavex Life Sciences. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of August 2025, our system has ranked Anavex Life Sciences as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of negative 0.61. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently stands at a loss of negative 1.63% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This translates to an average loss of negative 0.82% per day since it was listed as hold or accumulate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 45.1% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 45.1% to 113.89%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 37.76%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 15.88% to 123.62% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $11.52 and $22.24. Our latest daily update for Anavex Life Sciences includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for Anavex Life Sciences Corporation. The stock price of Anavex Life Sciences Corporation declined by 1.63% on the last day, which was Friday, the 15th of August, 2025, falling from $10.11 to $9.95. This marks a decline for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.48%, with a low of $9.91 and a high of $10.25. The price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 11.21% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign, as volume typically follows stock movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 159,000 shares, with a total of 920,000 shares exchanged for approximately $9,150,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $14.44, while the lowest was $4.93. Currently, the price stands 31.13%, or $4.50, below the 52-week high, and 68.43%, or $21.56, below the all-time high recorded on the 28th of June, 2021, when the price peaked at $31.50. Anavex this week delivered its fiscal third-quarter results and hosted the scheduled earnings webcast and conference call, updating investors on finances and program timelines. Earlier this summer, the company released new precision medicine data from its Phase 2b/3 open-label extension, showing nearly 20 months of time saved in early-start patients treated with oral blarcamesine. This data management highlights a sustained benefit over multiple years. However, the narrative is balanced by ongoing legal concerns. A shareholder investigation launched in mid-June creates governance and litigation risks that may amplify short-term fluctuations. Management's continued outreach to investors at conferences adds to the overall picture. In the short term, expect volatility, the execution of earnings, and any details regarding cash runway, enrollment, or regulatory timelines will influence trading. Meanwhile, the strong open-label extension readouts and renewed investor interest could drive momentum and speculative buying. On the other hand, the shareholder probe and any ambiguous financial guidance or dilution risks could put pressure on the stock. Over the long term, sustained positive clinical data and a clear regulatory path for blarcamesine could significantly re-rate the company's valuation, provided that approvals and commercialization follow. Conversely, setbacks in trials, regulatory challenges, or legal and financial constraints could limit potential gains. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned AVXL a buy grade alongside a hold action. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that E.F. Hutton also assigned AVXL a buy grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of January, 2023, Barclays reported that they gave AVXL an equal weight grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Keefe, Bruyette, and Woods reported that they assigned AVXL an outperform grade with a hold action. Also, on that day, Needham reported that they gave AVXL a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Anavex Life Sciences stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Anavex Life Sciences. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Anavex Life Sciences Corporation shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may appear at levels of $10.72 and $10.95. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 23, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 25.84%. Further decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which may lower the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 41 days ago. The short-term moving average has provided a sell signal 5 days ago. Likewise, the long-term moving average has also indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 33 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Anavex Life Sciences. Anavex Life Sciences Corp finds support from accumulated volume at $9.48. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and the considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes it as a high-risk investment. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.34, or 3.48%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 6.77%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Anavex Life Sciences, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to uncontrollable factors. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of December, 2025. Analysts currently project estimates at -12 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Anavex Life Sciences. In case of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Anavex Life Sciences is at $10.78. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Anavex Life Sciences encounters its first support level at $9.48. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Anavex Life Sciences from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of June 2025, Thomas Steffen conducted an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Thomas Steffen also conducted an insider sale of 11,349 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, Thomas Steffen conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of stock options, known as the right to buy. On the 28th of April, 2025, Bonish Sandra conducted an insider purchase of 12,500 shares of stock options, also known as the right to buy. On that same day, Christopher U. Missling conducted an insider purchase of 125,000 shares of stock options, or the right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 22.527. In total, insiders have purchased 4,941,362 shares and sold 2,951,238 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.34, representing a decrease of 6.05%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 17 days ago. Is Anavex Life Sciences stock a good buy? Anavex Life Sciences Corp exhibits several negative signals, suggesting it is a sell candidate. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it may be wise to consider it as a hold candidate, meaning you might want to maintain or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, August 18th, we anticipate that Anavex Life Sciences will open higher by approximately 8.83 cents and begin trading at $10.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.